today mukbang, we have a nice salad here. We also have some mixed noodles, Chinese noodles here. A lot of noodles, guys. We have some Chinese style chicken over here with wontons. Here we have some nice fried chicken. We also have some fries. Stay tuned. Hey guys, let's eat. Hi guys, how are you guys? What are you guys up to? So today we have a variety of things. How are you guys? What's up, guys? Okay, I missed you guys so much. If you're first time viewing one of my amazing videos and you want to be part of this amazing family, all you have to do is subscribe, run over there, hit that post notification bell, like guys, so you can get as soon as I pop a video, you guys will get it. Okay, guys, so we have from the title, we have some Chinese style chicken wontons, mixed Chinese style noodles. We have a nice veggie salad here. We also have some fried boonging banging chicken over here. Look at this chicken, guys. Oh god, no, it's not KFC. Oh yeah, it looks so good. We have some fries here. We also have some dressing. So let's pray. Heavenly Father, please bless our subscribers, our viewers, nourish our bodies about to receive this food. Sustain the ones who don't have, bless my food. Amen. Amen, guys. How are you guys? I'm also drinking grape juice. So it's been a while, guys. It's been a while. So let's just dig right into this because I am so hungry. So I'm going to start off with some sauce. So this sauce right here is tartar sauce, guys. So I'm just going to put some tartar sauce in my salad. Yeah, that looks so good. That kind of aroma, guys, is something to die for. We also have some Royal Castle pepper here. Everybody know Royal Castle pepper is the best. What we have here again, we have some ketchup. But I will be just dipping. I'm not a fan of ketchup, guys. I'm not a fan of that. But, you know, I'll mix the pepper and the ketchup. I'll also mix it with some tartar sauce and bring in the blends. We'll make ranch. Simple and easy like that. Woo! That looks amazing. Come in, man. Hope you guys are eating something. Guys, so look at this. That looks so good. So good. I hope I don't have to be dealing with no flies today, guys, because those flies are really flicking sickening. Just right. So, we're going to start off with the mixed noodles. So, we have like 5 different types of meat in it. Fresh lettuce, fresh salad. So good. Don't worry, guys, my hand clean and I'll bathe. Don't care, I'm just hungry. Guys, those flies. Excuse them. Those fucking pests. God. It's a good salad. So it has cucumbers, carrots, corn, lettuce, tomatoes. Flies Oh, Lord. Mm, 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 mm. Guys, so I now notice I'm using a plastic fork. Mm. Ooh, it's so good. Oh, it's soft sweet pepper too. Mm. Mm. Guys, at this point, we're even bong for the chicken because the Chinese chicken, it have a lot of it in the noodles. Mm. Mm. It's so good. Oh, Lord, flies. Mm. 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 I really like Chinese chicken. Right now, it's too stiff. And that one there, it's stiff. Like, it's stiff. Mm. Okay, let's go on and have this delish piece of meat. Mm. 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 So good. Guys, we was requested to do another video, but it's a pepper wing challenge. So okay guys, my camera cut off, sorry about that. So I didn't get the pepper, so I'm still looking to locate that scorpion pepper. I mean, this challenge will be really cool, really hilarious with the boys. Scorpion pepper. Okay, so we did two other requests, and it was real successful. One was another one was the banana split, and one was soul food. Those videos right there are a lot of fun. Like, a lot. So guys, I am getting a challenge here with these flies. Somebody forgot to close the door. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this right here for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy you guys. Okay guys, so I reached my quota. The flies and them is out of control, and I really disgusted by them. So as I was saying before, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also share the link with family and friends. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for viewing our videos. We will be coming. We pop a video every day. I can't tell you guys what time. It could be either morning, evening, sometime lunchtime. It's according to when I upload it. But it's sure every day. I'll see you back tomorrow to another amazing video. Bye, guys.